Welcome to a new PowerApps tip by Stratebi. In this quick demonstration we will show a simple way to modify a master table allocated in the cloud as an Excel file with a PowerApp. Here, you can see the data prepared for the example. We have two tables. One corresponds to a client type, and the other one corresponds to a geography master table. One of the rows is not spelled correctly, so that is the one we will edit. From the PowerApp you will see a menu where you can select the table to modify or insert a row into. The items shown here are references to a table in an Excel file from a OneDrive folder. We click on the table we would like to modify, and we will see the rows from the table. From here, we can add a new record to the table or modify an existing one. Both actions are similar. In any case selected, you will see a form where you specify the values you want for that record. We change the row we identified before as a mistake. After that, we submit the changes clicking the tick. The change is persisted in the list and in the Excel file. To watch more videos from Stratebi, click on the link showed on screen or on the ones we put in the description. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Bye Stratebiers.